In this video, let's talk about why the Guitarlele is stupid. Hi, I'm Terry Carter, and welcome to ukelikethepros. If you're new to the channel, haven't done so, and this would help me out a lot as we're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers, please subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification. That way you're going to stay up to date on all the Guitarlele. That's right, Guitarlele. Search Guitarlele. You're probably going to see my face pop up on a lot of tutorials and videos. But we also do baritone and regular ukulele right here on the channel. And by the way, before we get to it, if you're really into the Guitarlele, like I am, I have a complete Guitarlele course, as well as a kind of a beginning mini course as well at ukelikethepros.com. And then we have a weekly Q&A for Guitarlele with all my members from all over the world every week for the premium members. So check that out. I'll put links to that below. All right. Why is the Guitarlele stupid? I think this could be an entire series. And we could do a little chunk of why the Guitarlele is stupid. But today, this video may be a little different than you think. Why it's stupid is because people think that if you're a ukulele player or you're a guitar player, that this is like a whole different instrument that you have to learn. And I'm here to tell you that that is not the case. And I'm going to show you how that is. All right, so the tuning of this thing is A to A, D, G, C, E, and A. But it doesn't matter because those tuning is exactly the same as a guitar, the ratio that is. Meaning, when I do this, this is your G chord on a guitar, but on our ukulele, it's a Guitarlele, excuse me, is a C chord, or this chord. Well, this chord on the guitar is D, right? But what is it on the ukulele? G. What is it here? G. So even though it's different strings, different tuning, all your chord shapes, if you're a guitar player or ukulele player, will work. But if you're a guitar player, you have to learn the new tuning, meaning you just have to learn the new names of these chords. C on a guitar, F on a Guitarlele. Or if you're a ukulele player, all you have to do is get used to adding those two extra strings. So C chord on ukulele, C chord on a Guitarlele. So anyway, my brain gets them all twisted all the time on these videos, but we're going to keep that. Let's just roll with it anyway. So anyway, the Guitarlele is stupid, but not really. It's actually an awesome instrument. I love it. If you want to get better at it, join me over at ukelikethepros.com for that course or for the weekly Q&A for all the premium members. Leave a comment below. Do you play Guitarlele? They're amazing instruments, and I know they're catching on and a lot more people have them. So join in the Guitarlele revolution with me. Thanks for being here. We'll see you next time.